Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Moongdal with chicken Bhuna recipe. Moongdal 1.5 cup. Fry 2 to 3 minutes. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Wash it. Oil 1/2 cup. Onion 1 cup. Add whole spice. Fry 1 minute. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon each. Salt to taste. Saute 1 minute. Add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon each. Stir and fry. Tomato 1 large. Cover and cook 5 minutes. Stir. Add Mugdal. Stir and mix. Add chicken legs. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir. Add hot water 2 cup. Cook 15 minutes. Green chili 4/5 pieces. Clarified butter, ghee, 2 tablespoon. Oil 2 teaspoon. Onion 1 small. Sliced garlic 1 tablespoon. Cashmere chili 1 teaspoon for nice color. Add pourin. Fresh coriander leaf. Mix. Cover for 5 minutes. Done. Fried onion on top. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.